What is up, my people, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to kind of bring back my color. I know you guys have been asking about it, so here it is. If you are interested in getting this look, make sure you continue to watch and do not forget to give me a like and a subscribe, boo. Okay, so y'all know we're starting out with my James Charles palette. I paid my money dollars for this and I will not stop using it until it is all gone. So I don't even want to hear it, okay? We're starting out with like a bright orange and then we're gonna go into like a deeper orange to kind of darken it up. You guys know I'm all about keeping the dark colors and like a dark effect, kind of like the Dark Knight type of thing. I don't know, and this narration shit is kind of weird for me. So just bear with me here and just watch the video, okay? Okay, so here I am actually building color. I know you guys ask me all the time, how do I get my colors to be so bright? There is no real secret to this. It is just simply building the color. I know I used to say this all the time in my previous videos, so I'm going to continue to say it in these videos because I keep getting the questions. Just build your color, and when I say build color, just make sure that you're going over the color, maybe about 2 or 3 times until you get it to be as pigmented as you like, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna take a little break from doing my makeup to do the Out West challenge. Hey, yay! My kids taught me this, and I've just been feeling so good that I can freaking do this one because it's easy. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this purple color. Again, we're using the James Charles palette. Who knows what the hell I'm listening to at this point? I don't even think I'm listening to no music. I think it's the music in my head that's keeping me afloat. But we're gonna go ahead and apply that into our crease. Once again, you can make this look your own. If you don't want to go deep with these colors, then don't. Definitely feel free to choose your own palette. Once again, this was just me just trying to get back into color, so yeah, I think that's it. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, so once you have gotten your crease as dark as you would like it, and you want to go ahead and cut it. You guys know I have been saying this in every single video. I have run out of my, what was it, Makeup Revolution cut crease because they don't sell it or make it here in Texas anymore. I'm not really sure. But I completely ran out of it. So what I've been using here lately is this ColourPop concealer. This is in the shade medium. I think that's the shade. I don't think they really give you like number shades. I think it's just the medium shade. Yeah, so I've been using this to cut my crease. I know you guys also wanted to know what I do to make the eyeshadow pop. Once again, we're going to go back to what I said in the beginning of the video. You have to build your color. Build, build, build. Become Bob the Builder on these hoes, okay? And build your color, mama. You guys will see me continue to put the concealer on my lid, and it's just a personal preference. I just feel like it blends and moves a lot easier when the concealer is wet, like when you have enough to spread. I will not lie, this particular concealer is kind of tough to move around, and it does dry fast, so you have to move a little bit quick. A little bit. A little bit, a lot quick, okay? So this step is super important to me personally. It may not be important to you, but to me it is so important for after you get done doing your crease to blend out those edges. You guys know I do not do a full cut crease. I always do half cut creases. I just like the way it looks. I just think it looks just 10 times better. Once again, this is my personal opinion. If you don't agree, don't do it, baby girl, okay? Period. So, as I was doing this look, I totally envisioned it going somewhere completely different. And at this moment, I realized I had fucked up. Okay. You guys can see it all in my face. I'm like, ooh, ooh, this is not going the way I thought it was going to go. So, yeah, and excuse me because you guys see me yelling at my kids. They doing stuff they ain't got no business doing. Lord, about that. So what you guys see me putting on is a loose pigment. I had no intentions of using this pigment, but I wanted that yellow greenish color to be extremely bright. And I had this just sitting around, so I decided to use it. I believe these can be purchased at any type of makeup store. I got this for like $1. I found a lady on Facebook and went to her like her little shop. So yeah, but I would also suggest if you are going to be doing a loose pigment to do this prior to doing your foundation. Once again, I did not realize I was going to be doing this, so you guys do see fallout. The good thing with using Fenty Beauty as well as the Beauty Bakery setting powder is that I was able to wipe this off with absolutely no problems. Speaking of which, I do have an updated foundation routine coming, so make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see that, okay? And make sure you turn on notifications, okay? Stop leaving me in the dark, period. Once again, guys, we're going to go back to my original statement. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to name the video this, Build Your Color, Mama. Did you see how in the beginning it started out to be so shaky and just, oh my gosh, I don't know if we should go through with this. And now it's like, let the saints say amen, because it is coming through, honey. She is pushing through. She's pushing her way to the back of the damn line, okay? This is like, I don't even know. It's fucking amaze balls how this is coming out. Why did I just go out of camera? I don't know, but I'm back. I'm back. All right, so not only is it important for you to build your color, it's also very important for you to blend your color. So what I did was I took some blue and like maybe like a little flat brush, like a fluffy flat brush, I don't know what to call it. And then I just simply applied the blue right on top of that yellow, and now you guys see me blending it all together. Blending is what is going to make your eyeshadow pop, mama, okay? This is what's going to set you apart from all of those other bitches, period. Okay, so just to add a little pizzazz, because we a little extra and your girl couldn't do glitter with this look, we are going to go in with just like a generic blue liner. I think I might have even got this from like the dollar store, y'all. Like, it is super off-brand. Y'all know I love me a good off-brand, and I turn that shit into some very extravagant, expensive looking stuff. Okay, that is my shit. But we're just gonna apply this into our waterline, and then we're gonna put mascara on. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see it. I just wanted you guys to see what I did on this look, okay? Although we come to the end of this video, still I can't let you go without subscribing. Ooh, it's a natural. Ooh. I'm just playing, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button because, bitch, I motherfucking slayed, okay? And subscribe to my channel, period.